最少15名立法會議員聯署啦。咁然後我哋就會同立法會秘書處安排排期咧，正式聽嘅動議咧，就有關基本法73條9咧，係一個行政機制嘅第一步。理論上咧，如果我哋有足夠嘅議員支持嘅話咧，我哋就會係喺15個工作天之後排到期咧，就會由議員咧就經動議之後，如果我理解應該可能要分組點票啦，通過之後咧，就正式可以委任咧終審法院首席大法官咧，就組織一個調查委員會，就有關嘅指控咧作出一個全面嘅調查。有調查結果之後咧，如果有發現到係有嗰個指控成立嘅話咧，立法會都可以根據2/3嘅通過嘅票數咧，係正式彈劾特首，然後報交呢個北京政府審批咁樣。
我覺得即係而家佢睇到議員都話都未聽到特首
其實咧就有關嘅報告咧，呢啲嘅全部廣泛報告咧，更加重要咧，我理解特首本身嘅解釋咧，其實佢自己所承認嘅事實咧，都已經足以構成喺表面上有個瀆職嘅行為。特別就有關於審批嗰個廣播牌照方面，同時係接受到有關人士、有關集團嘅一啲嘅利益咧，呢一方面咧，我覺得已經係非常之嚴重。而我理解到，即使今日廉政公署都講咗話，佢哋會立案調查，但係兩個程序應該可以同時進行。作為立法會咧，係代表民意，而民意我相信好大嘅聲音就係好唔滿意呢一次嘅行為，更加唔滿意特首到目前為止嘅態度同埋嘅解釋。我覺得呢個係應該盡快啟動一個機制咧，讓適當嘅渠道咧係作出調查，而讓特首有機會咧，如果真係想解釋清楚嘅話，
動議嘅字眼咧就只係涉及東海花園嗰個租屋嘅問題，咁但係大家比較關注，譬如係講緊係一啲豪華款待啊、由私人遊艇啊、私人飛機啊等等，或者一啲宴會啊等等、紅酒啊嘅爭議，咁點解冇寫埋落去咧？即係會唔會係即係只係着眼於其中一個焦點，其他嗰啲係忽略？
我自己初步分析過咧，就喺法律理據上咧，有關嘅東海花園嗰個利益咧係比較係確實，亦都比較係足夠喺法律上咧係支持呢一個咁嘅動議。而家咪特首本身都承認咗某啲嘅行為，亦都承認咗喺行會通過有關審批呢個牌照嘅時候咧係冇申報到，種種嘅理據、種種嘅承認咧已經係足夠表面上有個瀆職行為。至於其他嗰啲關於海陸豐嘅其他方面嘅利益咧，咁呢個我相信咧適當嘅會都會作出調查，但係起碼初步有一條比較清晰啲嘅指控係可以確立。
而家係收到幾多？
而家初步好多同事都表示有興趣支持，但係由於我未有書面嘅簽嘅名翻嚟咧，所以我唔能夠係確認幾多數字。但係暫時簽咗嘅，除咗我之外咧，有葉劉淑儀議員啦，咁亦都有啲個別嘅議員話佢哋自己支持，但係要同黨商量過之後先可以正式簽署。
譬如話建制派嗰邊民意嗰個傾向係
表面上初步嚟講，佢哋都係冇任何反對或者抗拒嘅一個意向。但係當然咧，事關重大咧，我相信佢哋都要適當地去理解件事，同埋經過黨團會議之後先可以作實。
其實今次即係最尾都要分組點票㗎嘛，係咪真係有一個態度、有一個動作多過係真係希望可以做得成件事嘅？
其實事實上，而家有15個議員聯署係一個非常之嚴肅嘅程序，亦都係史無前例嘅程序。咁呢個程序本身咧啟動咗咧，對於特首亦都係一個好嘅一個彈劾嘅初步嘅行為嚟。咁至於到最後會唔會有足夠嘅議員支持係分組點票過第一關，跟住咧有一個調查委員會成立之後，有足夠嘅證據顯示係嗰個指控係成立嘅，呢個第二關。到第三關就係立法會議員會唔會2/3通過呢個第三關，然之後最後咧都係北京政府要去審批，咁所以係有幾關要過。但係我覺得咧，廣大嘅民意咧係極之憤怒，亦都極之支持咧，我哋唔能夠就咁輕輕放過。咁我希望有關嘅同事咧，喺除咗表達佢哋嘅憤怒聲音之餘咧，係支持呢個動議咧，係起碼我哋過第一關先。
Mr. Tse, what are you planning to do against the chief executive? Why? And are you confident that you will have enough votes in Electrical to get it?
Right. I've started the exercise of collecting hopefully sufficient signatures from members of Electrical to commence the proceedings under Article 73(9) of the Basic Law to move the motion in Electrical with a view to having at least having it passed. The committee set up, headed by the Chief Justice, to to investigate into the charges involved to see whether the charges are proved, and if so, we'll come back to electrical. And if we do have sufficient votes, let's say 2/3 of the votes, to pass a motion, and eventually, obviously, we would have to have the approval of Beijing government, then there will be the completion of the impeachment proceedings.
Why are you doing this?
Well, I'm simply reflecting the anger and the feelings of the general public. And I believe even though the ICAC has opened a file to investigate the relevant charges and allegations, but I believe that it's not quite sufficient. And reflect the general anger and feelings of the public, I do believe that we as electoral members should also do something to reflect our own frustrations and anger as well.
Have you got enough support from fellow pro-establishment lawmakers?
Well, so far the response has been very promising, although I cannot disclose the names because I haven't had the signatures in the first place. But I can confirm, apart from myself, Regina Ip has confirmed and signed the motion. And I believe and I expect more signatures will come in a matter of hours. Thank you. 好，唔該晒，thank you。